Let's start there. Last week we have learned about internet and its main services, and today what we need to know is about another service, that is email, one of the main services of internet. Right? In email, actually, we can send and receive mails. We can, it's like similar to the traditional mail. So, but traditional mail system, we call it snail mail. It is a bit slow to send and receive mail. It will take some time, at least 3 days to send an email. So 3 days to receive an email. It should physically reach the destination, and the receiver should be available in the physical destination. Let's say you have gone a trip and you got a postal mail. Then until you return, you will not get that postal mail. That is the nature. So until you return, you will not get the postal mail. So these things, these emails are super faster than our snail mail system. An email reach anywhere when you open your inbox, when you log into a computer, laptop, tab, mobile phone, anything. So that is available for you. It's not reaching the physical address. So not depending on the physical address, but only issue is you cannot send parcels. Only issue is you cannot send parcels using emails. That is the only issue. Right? You can open email account using Hotmail, Rocket Mail, Yahoo Mail, Gmail. These are webmail providers. Actually, these are websites providing email services. And not only that, the companies provide email account normally. Those are not web-based emails. The companies, when we join, they will provide email address. That is also another way of getting an email. Okay, then so email, so we need to know about the email and traditional mail and mail. So let's compare them. So one thing is, in traditional emails or snail mail, it has a physical address with a house number, road name, city and country. This address is physical, right? It's a house address. But in email, you have this kind of email address. It has username first, then the @mark, then the domain of host. Example, admin@gicts.lk. Admin is the username, gicts.lk is the host, or it is the domain name. And here it reaches the inbox. Here it reaches the physical destination. You need to available on the physical address. Here it reach any destination. This is faster and efficient and cost effective too. But you cannot send goods. That is the problem. And you need to physically secure the physical mail. But here you can logically keep it in the inbox using password. And no need to have a physical space too. So shall we write down without the singular words? I think you can write down the English words. So just compare the snail mail and email. One side snail mail or the traditional mail, the other side electronic mail. Can you write down this quickly? So if you have problem, let me know. So first of all, please write down the snail mail, electronic mail comparison. You need to write down this in your book, because this is not included in your note. I hope all of you got the note, right? I have released the note. I hope that all of you got that. Right. Next thing is about when you are learning about the email, you need to know about few fields. Right? When you are sending email message, especially these fields are important when you are sending email message. So basically, we are writing the destination in the to address here. This email is sent to saman@edupub.gov.lk. So we are writing to address. New is to compose new, delete is to delete mail, send to send email. These are self-explanatory. I'm not going to give you like a big note on this, because new is new, delete is delete, send is send, attach is attach. Right? If you want to attach a file, attach. File attach attach. New new, delete delete, send send. Inbox means the mails that you got will be stored in inbox. The mails which are sent will be stored in send box. Junk or spam box is to store unsolicited, unwelcome, unwanted email. But sometimes Your important mail can be categorized as unsolicited, unwanted, and unwelcome mail. So you have to check this junk box too. Trash is to store the deleted mails, and contacts to save your email contacts. So this is email software. So these are the things that you can basically see. Okay, CC and BCC, these are very important fields. CC is to copy an email. If you want to copy, like let's say I want to send an email to Pasan. I'm sending to Pasan Abhilash. Let's say email is pasan@jits.lk. And I want to copy that to Hirush and Danuri. So I can mention Hirush at jits.lk and Danuri at jits.lk here in the CC field. Then Pasan can see this is sent to Danuri and so who's the other party? I don't remember the name. Okay, Shevin and Danuri. Let's say Shevin and Danuri. I want to CC this to Shevin and Danuri. Pasan will see that it is copied to Shevin and Danuri. And Shevin will see that it is originally sent to Pasan and it is copied to Danuri and Shevin. And Danuri will also see it is sent to Pasan, it is copied to Danuri and Shevin. All three parties can see their emails. All these parties can see their emails because it is copied. BCC is blind carbon copy. It is a secret channel. So let's say you mention Dilansa's and Manuda's address in BCC field. Then both Dilansa and Manuda can see this is sent to Pasan, Danuri and Shevin. Manuda can also see it is sent to Pasan, Danuri and Shevin. But Pasan, Danuri and Shevin will not see the email addresses of Manuda and Dilansa because it is hidden, blind carbon copy. It is secretly sent to Danuri and so it is secretly sent to Dilansa and Manuda. So Dilansa's and Manuda's address will be hidden from the other addresses. And anyway, sender can see all the address, right? Sender can see all the addresses. So carbon copy or courtesy copy. CC is carbon copy or courtesy copy. Under that, please write down. No need to draw this because this is there in your book. When you turn the book, the page number is 93. So you can just see page number 93. Don't draw the image because it is there in your textbook, page number 93. CC carbon copy. If you need to, please write down. If you need to send copies of the email to some others, we can mention their address in CC field. So what happens if you mention the to field? If you mention multiple, if you have mentioned multiple addresses in to field, still this is sent to multiple parties, but CC will explicitly indicate that it is copied. අර ඊමේල් යවනකොට පිටපත් යවනවා කියලා කියන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ to field එකේ දැම්මත් යනවා හැමෝටම. අර to field එකට දැම්මත් හැමෝටම යනවා. හැබැයි CC කියලා දාන්නේ purposelyම මෙයා ඔයාට අරයට තමයි original ලියුවේ ඔයාට තමයි copy එව්වේ කියලා කියන්නේ. To එක්කෙනාට තමයි true person this is originally sent. CC people are copied. That is to mention that explicitly we will put it to the CC field. Otherwise, you can copy all address and paste in the to field. Then also it will be sent to all the parties. But that is originally for all, not copies. Yes, you need to write in this in your note. Then BCC, blind carbon copy. To hide the recipients from the others, to hide the recipients from the others, we use BCC field. People in field can see CC and two field addresses, but two field people and CCP field people cannot see BCC addresses. So that is the nature. Send something secretly, we are using this BCC. Then another important thing is this junk or the spam folder. So please write down this part. I'll then explain the junk spam, right? First of all, please write down this. Right, junk or the spam. So basically these are unsolicited email, unintended or unwelcome email. Unsolicited. Oh, we can say unwelcome. Unwelcome. No one expect that. Unwanted maybe. Emails. Will be stored here once received. Typically, these emails will be raised after 30 days. දවස් 30කින් මැකෙනවා මේවා සාමාන්‍ය. Important mails can be accidentally categorized, accidentally or accidentally categorized as spam or junk. Therefore, checking this folder at least once a week is important. This folder is there for security purposes. Then only we understand this. Therefore, security purposes. Then we understand this. There is a risk. Sometimes this email is not. This can be suspicious. Likewise, we can think because of this folder. Okay, quickly write down this and indicate once you are done, because we need to start HTML today. Right, hope all of you have finished writing. So let's move to the next one. So next is our language, HTML, how we are going to decide, like create our web pages. The language is hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. So what these hypertext are, right? These hypertext are basically descriptive text. Hypertext are descriptive texts. So these hypertext are descriptive texts. Descriptive. So what it does, it can link hypermedia and other resources through hyperlinks. Hypermedia means descriptive media and hyperlinks means descriptive links. Right? What will happen? This will be understood by the web browser. And content will be displayed to the user. So this is what happening in the web environment. Okay, this is the basic structure of hypertext markup language page. Basically, you are starting from something called tag. And this is called opening tag. And this is called closing tag. So please remember these names. This is opening tag, HTML opening tag, HTML closing tag. You can see /. So that is how you indicate the closing. Here, head opening tag, head closing tag. Title opening tag, title closing tag. Body opening tag, body closing tag. Each and every opening tag will have closing tag, except a few. There are few. So these are special cases, we will learn that. And please remember, there is only one head per document, only one body per document. So you cannot add multiple heads, multiple bodies, not supported. You can add only one head, one body. That is the nature, right? One head, one body in the HTML page. HTML tag is the largest tag. It can hold all the other tags. It can nest actually. It can nest or hold all the other tags. Then the head tag and then the body tag. Body tag is to display the content. Body tag will display all the contents in the pages. Head tag is basically header instructions or the headings. So shall we write down HTML code using your notepad? Okay, please, first of all, please copy down the code, copy down this hypertext markup language, write the heading, then write down this, and quickly copy down this part with the picture. This part with the picture. Then, so I'll give you 3 minutes to copy. So once copied, start writing the code, right? If you have finished copy, please start writing the code in your notepad. Notepad, I'll check the stream. Who can share the screen? Let's write down these codes now. So who can share the screen first? Hirosha is using Notepad++. Others can also download this if you need. Like Notepad++ will give you some additional features like colorful syntax and all. But you can write in Notepad too, right? Okay, let's start writing today. So first of all, what you need to write? HTML. Doc type is also, you can write the doc type, but let's begin with the normal syntax. Just write HTML there, less than mark HTML. Then the greater than mark. Then the greater than mark. Then press enter. Remember these steps. Others also follow these steps. Then again less than mark, /HTML, /HTML, not just HTML. /HTML. / is in the question mark. Then HTML. Okay. Then close it. Go press up arrow press karanna, then press enter and put a tab just put the tab key, right? Now write head tag similar way. Head tag open, enter, head tag close. HEAD. Head tag open, enter, head tag close. Head tag close. Up arrow, Press enter, another tab key. Then the title tag open, title tag close. These are essential steps. Title tag open, title tag close. TITLE, title open, title close. Okay, you can type any title there. You can type maybe your name or something there, title. Then go to the end of head tag. Head tag close end. Go to the end and press enter. Now let's start the body tag. Body tag. Less than body. Okay, press enter. Close the body tag and you can write anything inside the body tag. Press up arrow and then go to press up arrow, then press enter. Tab, put a tab key once. Press a tab key once. Right now you can write anything that will be displayed in the web page, right? Whatever you are writing will be displayed in the web page. Write down something and let's save the content now. Let's save the content now. Go to file, save as. File, save as. Then select this. Select HTML. From that HTML documents. Actually, Notepad, this will not be available. You have to manually type that. Hypertext markup language documents. Is that one. Then there, please give a name, meaningful name, save it in your desktop. Let's say ABC something. Save it in your desktop. Now double click and open it after saving. And you will be able to see your web page. Just minimize it. Right, okay, just double click and open. Then you can see the web page. ABC, right? Here I can see the file, just double click and open. Can you see there? So this comes in the heading and this is coming in the body section. So, but you cannot see any tags. This is the nature. You can see the heading and the body, but you cannot see any tags. Okay, let's give chance to somebody else. Who's using Notepad? Just Notepad, can you share? If you're using Notepad only, just share this. Okay, Shavin. Are you using Notepad only? Okay, good. Type HTML, open, close. Closing, where are the? Closing. The forward slash should come to the front. Forward slash, no, forward slash any HTML and calling in the forward slash. H akurata calling now, ethering in the other layer. And it's okay. Head get title get oh, body decatama the anne, closing the body. Body open in a be careful. Do with the sense. Title that. Okay, now file, save as. Go to file, save as. You can give any name .html. From the bottom, select all files, right? Save as type need to be selected. All files getting all files. Okay, save it and you are done. Now double click and open it. Double click and open it, and you can see the web page. Okay, there it is. You can see it. Anybody else? Okay, so can Dilansa, can you share? Dilansa, are you here? Can you share the screen? Dilansa, if they are in the class. Hello. Can you share the screen? I will tell you how to do this from beginning, but you need to share the screen. Hello. Okay, she's not responding. Don't know why. Nilanjana, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Can you teach it from the beginning?
Yeah, I can teach from the beginning. I know that you, so I have to do that. But can you share the screen first? Open Notepad. Open Notepad. Danuri, I will give you a chance next time, right? Just open Notepad. You have to go to the search and then open Notepad. No, not the web browser. Just go to the searching panel here. Then search for Notepad. Notepad, N-O-T-E-P-A-D. A single word, no two word. Don't write two. All right, that is the one. Yes, open it. Okay, there. So please write down these coding segments from the beginning. Less than mark HTML. Less than mark HTML. Oh, less than mark. Mark less than mark. This one. This is less than mark. Then HTML. So haven't you write down this in your book? ML. Then HTML, right? Okay. Go to the corner, press enter. Go to the end of the tag. Press enter. Then again type /HTML. But this should have the /, right? Beginning before H, you need to mention the /. // before H. So you need to plug it to a source. Otherwise your battery will be low. // එකක් ගහන්න පුතේ. H එකට කලින්. That is your closing tag. Question mark එකත් එක ආයෙත් තියෙනවා. Now go to the corner. First එකේ උඩට යන්න. Press enter. Enter කරන්න. Tab key එක ගහන්න. Caps lock එකට උඩින් තියෙන. The key before the caps lock. Tab key. Tab key, that is the key before caps lock. Key above the caps lock. All right. Okay. Now what? Now type head. HEAD. Similarly, type head opening. Then press enter and then head closing. Either type in simple, type all these things in simple letters. If you start with type in capital, type it in capital. But the thing is, like, if you start type in simple, type it in simple. Capital වලින් පටන් ගත්තා නම් capital ම ගහගෙන යන්න. Simple පටන් ගත්තා නම් simple ම ගහගෙන යන්න. Head open and head close. Press enter. Press enter. Then the tab key. Tab key. And then again less than mark /head. / and head. Okay. Head, type head, HEAD. Okay, now go to the middle of that. Just press the up arrow. Up arrow එක එකපාරක් press කරන්න. නෑ, එහෙ click කරන්න යන්න එපා. Head එකේ කොනටම යන්න කොටයි. Now up arrow press කරන්න. Up arrow. ඔය up arrow නෙමෙයි. වැඩි. ආපහු යන්න head එකේ corner එකට අන්තිම තැනට. ඒක අර practice කරගන්න පුතේ. ඔක ඇඟිලි practice වෙන්න ඕන වගේ. Go to end of the head here. මෙන්න මෙතනට යන්න. End of the head tag. Then press the up arrow. Press enter. Keyboard mouse එක අල්ලන්න එපා. Enter. Then tab 2 times. Tab. Tab key and another tag. All right. Okay. Now the title tag. Less than title. 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 Then press enter. Press enter. Tab again 2 times tab. Only use the mouse 2 times tab. Press tab key 2 times. right? Now less than title. You need to close the title tag, title. And after closing, press the up arrow again, up arrow. Enter. Now tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Tab, tab, tab. All right. Now you can type the title. Let's say hello. Let's type hello. HELLO. No. This is not tab. This is not tab. This is content. Hello. Right. Now press the down arrow 1 time. Down arrow 1 more time. Enter. Press tab again. This is how you should navigate, right? Others also please learn this navigational method, because then that will be faster when you practice. Then body tag opening of the body tag, BODY, body tag opening, and the same time press enter, and put tab 1 more time and close the body tag. Oh, tab key, you forgot the tab key. Erase that. You forgot the tab key. Because body tag should be closed in the same way, right? Now close it, body tag. This structure need to be maintained. So why this? Because like when you see at one go, you can see here HTML tag open, close, head tag open, close, a title tag open, close, body tag open, close. That you can observe. No? So this is how you write the clear coding. Otherwise, code will work, but that is ugly. That looks not. That will not look nice. Now go to the body tag here. Press enter. Corner of the body tag. Enter. Tab key 2 times and type anything that you like. Maybe your name. Now go to the file menu. Save as. Then go to your desktop. Type here, you can type abc.html. abc.html, and from here you can select all files, HTML, then here from this all files, save as type. Here save as type need to be all files. From this drop down you can select all files. Okay, save it. Now minimize this, don't close, just minimize. Then do not close. I think you have opened this 2 times, that is the reason. Just close this. You can close this one. This is another window. Now you can see, can you see? Okay, we have closed that as well. Can you see the file, HTML file that you have just saved? Where is it? Okay, it was there in the desktop. Oh, where did you save? Can I find that?
Say it takes some time to come.
Is it? So why is that? Then you can right click and refresh. Right click there, refresh. Oh, here you can see this ABC now. Double click on the file. Yes, you can open this in Edge or anything that you like, or Google Chrome, any browser you like. Click OK. And here you can see, can you see the title there? Whatever you have written as the title will be there. Hello, the Nilanjana, the body section will be there. The tags will not be visible. That is the nature. Shall we go back to this one? Notepad. Keep it as it is. Go to the notepad. Can you type your second name also there? Nilanjana space Alvis. And then go to file and save it back. Don't save as. Now this time you can save. File, save. Yeah. Minimize it. Go and refresh your browser and you can see the content. Here. Oh, don't minimize. Just refresh the browser window. You just go to the browser, web browser, Chrome, Google Chrome. Refresh this button, refresh using this button, this button. This is the refresh button. Okay, now we can see the updated page will be visible there. Okay, who else wish to share? Can share now. Right, the others can also, I think we have done this 3 times. Yes, okay, come. Danuri, waiting long time. Okay, I think you have done this. Yes, Danuri, you need to close the body tag. I think you have not followed the instructions properly. When you open the tag, same time you need to close Danuri. Otherwise, you will forget to close it. Here, this situation happened when you forgot to close that. HTML is closed here. Head is closed, title is closed, but body is not closed. Can you see? Go to the end of this line. Go to the end of this line, press enter, press the tab key, press enter now, press the tab key, and close the body tag, because closing is very important task. Closing part, close when මෙහෙම කැලක් දැම්මම නේද // එකක් දාන්න ඕන. Okay, go to file, save as. Then go to the desktop. Go to your desktop. Here, can you see? Yeah, right. Okay, that is also okay. Here you can type abc.html. HTML. From here, please select all the files, save it, save. Minimize everything, go to your desktop. Minimize this, go to your desktop. And I think, yes, your file is there, ABC. Just double click on that and that will be loaded in your browser. Double click on the file. Yes, you can select this and click OK. You can see the web browser, web page. Here the miraculous will come as the heading. And in the body, you can see, oh, but this HTML is something wrong here, right? Shall we go to the code back? The problem is here the space. Remove the space. Okay, here also I think you have space. I'm not sure. If there's space, remove it. No. Right, okay, just save it. Save and see. File save. No, save as name is save. Right, okay, now go and refresh your browser. Refresh it. Still is it there? All right, now it's disappeared, right? Okay. Okay, likewise, anything after that you can, yes, anything that you have written can be like any code. Let me show some other codes. Similar to that, you can add the other codes, but you need to add that to the body section here. So I will show some other codes. You can take a screenshot and later add here. Hello world. Then I have add bold, B for bold, and B closing. Bold is closed. I for Italy, Italy is closed. Strong for bold, strong is closed. Emphasis for bold, that is closed. When I add that, when I go to the browser, and if I access the page again, so that's my page. I think it's in the desktop. Yes. Can you see? This is the result. When you keep adding tags, let's add animation. Marquee, MARQUEE, will add a small animation. Hello world. So this will be small animation, just playing around the page. You can see this is scrolling. This is because of the marquee tag. Likewise, there are a lot of tags that you need to concern. So please look at these tabs for the moment. I'll be discussing the other things next day, but just look at these tabs. Try to add these tabs into your page and enjoy this HTML. This is your web page, right? You can keep adding codes, keep changing these codes, Keep modifying this code and you will be able to see that you will be able to see a lot of improvements of your pages after doing these things. You can add colors. I'll explain this one by one next day. Maybe we can add colors, we can add pictures. So these are some other tags that you can try out. Take a screenshot, try these things. Okay, Pute, then I'm going to stop from here for today. Next day, we'll be discussing about more tags and how to add these tags to HTML page, and about the tables, lists, and images. We'll discuss that next day. Good night. See you all next week.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bye.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Welcome.